Good morning, everyone. So we have here our topic about arithmetic mean. When we say arithmetic mean, these are the numbers inserted between two given terms to form an arithmetic sequence. Alam naman nating lahat based on our topic last time that the pattern of an arithmetic sequence is about adding a certain number or that constant which is known as the common difference. Like this. So this is the common difference. So for example, we have our sequence 5, 8, 11, 14. This is considered to be an arithmetic sequence because we are just adding by 3 to get the other term. So when we are talking about arithmetic sequence, it has always a constant which is added to every term, which is known to be the common difference. Pag sabing arithmetic mean, these are the numbers sa pagitan ng dalawang terms. Halimbawa, may 5 ka, and you are to find the two numbers between, which are 8 and 11 dapat. So these are called as the arithmetic mean. For example, we are to find the three arithmetic means between 10 and 20, 10 and 30. So for us to find this one, we are to illustrate this first as a sequence. So since we have our number 10 as the first number, and we are finding three arithmetic means, so therefore, there must be three blanks. So let me teach you the easiest method I know based on finding the arithmetic mean. So for me, you just need to represent this comma as plus D. I-represent lang natin yung comma na plus D because alam nga natin lahat na every term is just added by the difference. So alam D is the common difference. So with that, we have number 10 as the first term, added by how many letter D? So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 Ds, which is equal to our last number, 30. So after that, we have our APE. We just need to transfer this one to the other side. 4D is equal to 30 minus 10. So 4D is equal to 20. After this, we divide both sides by number 4 using MPE by 1/4. So therefore, our difference is now 5. After we found out the value 5, we just need to add this to the term until we come with number 30. 10 plus 5 is 15. Let me just use the red ball pen. 10 plus 5 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 5 is 25. And then, there we have it. So, ayaw gumana ng aking 10, 20, 15, 20, 25. And if you come up with the number 30, as you add 5, then your answers are correct. Let's have another example. What are the two arithmetic means between -3 and 18? So to find this one, again, illustrate. We have -3 as the first number. We have two missing terms because there are two, or we must find two arithmetic means. And the last number is 18. So again, represent all the comma as plus D because we are talking about arithmetic mean. Now, make it as an equation. -3, the first number, plus, we have 3 Ds is equal to 18. So, using APE, from -3, it will become +3. So, kapag naglilipat tayo ng numbers to the other side of the equal sign, nagbabago lagi ang sign. From 10, naging +10, naging negative 10 here. From negative 3, magiging positive 3. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. After this, to remove the coefficient 3, we divide both sides by number 3 itself. So, para maka-cancel out to. So, we divide this, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So, same thing. When you are talking about arithmetic mean, you just need to add the first number to 7 until we come with number 18. So, rules of integers, when you are adding different sign, so negative 3 and 7 are different signs. So, you just need to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. And the sign of the bigger number is positive. So, the answer is 4. Then, we know that 4 plus 7 will be 11. And since 11 plus 7 is 18, therefore, 4 and 11 are the correct answers. Now, what about if we do have fractions? Complete the arithmetic sequence. Negative 5 halves, 3, and 7 halves. Don't be confused on this question whether it says that complete the arithmetic sequence. Always remember, we are forming the arithmetic sequence using the arithmetic means. But here, and here rather, we are finding the 3 missing numbers between or in the middle of negative 5 halves and 7 halves. Ang kailangan magawa ay maging arithmetic sequence to using these 3 arithmetic means, yung numbers sa gitna. So, same thing, we just need to start with represent the comma plus D. And then, make it as an equation. Negative 5 halves plus, so there are 4 D's, is equal to 7 over 2. After that, same thing again. Transfer this negative 5 halves to the other side of the equal sign. So, from negative, it will become positive. So, as we add similar fractions, kapag similar fractions po, they have the same denominator. We just need to add the numerators. Then, copy the denominator. 12 divided by 2. So, 4D. So, here, we can simplify 12 divided by 2 as 6. So, to remove our 4, kapag lang po yun, mangyayari lang po yun na magsisimplify ka kapag pwedeng isimplify. Pero pag hindi na siya simplifiable, so you just need to remain it as itself na po. So, divided by 4. So, D is equal to, the lowest term is 3 over 2. Using this one, we just need to add this to our numbers. Negative 5 halves plus 3 halves, which is our letter D. So, different signs, subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. The bigger number is negative. So, over 2. So, it is negative 1. You can use your calculator to answer this one. So, negative 1 plus 3 halves, we have negative 2 over 2 plus 3 halves, which is 1 half. 1 half plus 3 halves, we have 4 over 2, which is simplified to 2. Then we'll know that 2 plus 3 halves will be 7 halves. So this is our answers. So again, when we say arithmetic mean, to rediscuss, these are the numbers inserted between two given numbers. Sila yung mga numbers sa gitna ng dalawang given numbers natin na dapat makapag-form tayo ng arithmetic sequence. At tandaan natin na ang arithmetic sequence ay laging nag-a-add ng isang constant number which is known to be the common difference. So to process that again, so this is the example number 1. So, to find the 3 arithmetic means between 10 and 30, just write number 10 as the first number, then 3 numbers at the middle, then 30. Then, every commas will be represented as plus D. So, the first number added by how many letter D's? 4D, then equal to the last number. Then by APE, we transfer this number 10, positive 10, the other side. It will become negative 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. Then to remove the coefficient 4, we come up with the MPE by 1/4. So we divide both sides by number 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Using this difference, we add this to our terms. 10 plus 5 is 15. Plus 5 is 20. Plus 5 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. So there we have it. That is our arithmetic means.